NFTs and play to earn tokens have been the talk of the market in this crypto season. According to CoinMarketCap, the total market cap of NFTs is more than $60 billion, and some of the top NFTs cost more than $1 million. But have you ever thought of if you can get any free NFT? So in this video, we are gonna tell you about one particular play to earn token which is distributing free NFTs, and that too very easily. So stay tuned to this video and find out more details about what exactly is that token and how you can claim your free NFT.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, welcome to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release. Also, if you want to discuss about Bitcoin, Ethereum, NFTs or anything under the sun about cryptocurrencies, head over to Telegram, join our family. The link for that is given in the descriptions below as well as in the pinned comments. We had discussed about this particular NFT giveaway in our Telegram channel about a couple of days back. So if you are there, so you would already be knowing about what token we are referring to. So without further delay, let's jump on to the token or the game. So the game that I'm talking about today is called Phantom Galaxies. So Phantom Galaxies is an upcoming play to earn token or the NFT space. They are developing a game. What this game is all about, so this Phantom Galaxies combines open world space sim with fast paced mechanical shooter and a captivating story. So this is more related to, it's a shooting game as the name suggests, probably dealing in the universe space as well. If we quickly take a look at their features, so it's an action-packed game with the NFTs. Now what are going to be the NFTs? The NFTs would be the generative avatars as well as the upgrades in the merchandises. You can also discover a lot of things and guilds as well. If we quickly take a look at the roadmap, the Q4 of 2021 is when the NFT collectibles will be developed and the game and the utility and the NFTs will be given away as well. Q1 of 2022 will be extremely important because that is when the NFT drops would start. We'll come to that in a little bit about how you can claim your NFT drops from Phantom Galaxies as well. In 2022 Q1 as well, the generative avatars that will be a part of the NFT collection will be launched, and in Q2 of 2022 the early access would be given and the game would probably be launched with its first version. This is exciting. The game feature looks exciting. The game UI is extremely it's extremely engaging and it looks amazing. If they're able to develop something even similar to this, that would be actually very engaging for the players as well. Now how can you claim your free NFTs? You can claim your free NFTs by connecting your software wallet. What software wallets it could be a MetaMask, could be some of the other popular software wallets as well. Mind you, this could lead to a rug pull as well. We are not endorsing it, but we thought that this is an opportunity to get some free NFTs, so we are just distributing the knowledge among our community. So make sure the wallet that you are connecting does not contain any other tokens. That is what is recommended, right? How do you connect a wallet if you already don't have it? You just press on this connect wallet button. I have MetaMask already installed on my computer. Just give in the password and your wallet would be connected. If you don't have a MetaMask, what you can do is you can go to metamask.io and you can click on this download now button. Then based on your device, you can install the MetaMask for Chrome. Since I'm using it on my computer, it gives me the Chrome. If you want to install it on your mobile phones, you can do that as well, right? As soon as you click on install MetaMask for Chrome, you will be taken to the Chrome extension store and you can simply sign up for MetaMask, provide a password. There will be separate phrase that would be given to you. Please note it down and keep it in a safe place because that phrase could actually help you in recovering your wallet if a need arises for the same. Okay, so this is absolutely simple, nothing more to do. Just connect your wallet and you might get some free NFTs as airdrop. Okay, I have personally done this. We have recommended this to our community about a couple of days back, so that is also something to look into as well. You can look into the social handles they have, the Discord, Telegram, Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. I will link their website on the descriptions below, so you can go there and you can visit their website, understand a bit more about how you can actually claim your free NFTs and learn more about the project itself. So that's pretty much it about this quick video and how you can actually earn your free NFTs. If you like this content, smash up the like button and hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to share this video, because this is free NFTs that one might get, and the more people that get, the better it is. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye for now.